Alright, we're going to verify that tangent x minus cotangent x over sine x times cosine of x equals secant squared x minus cosecant squared x is an identity. First thing I like to do is I like to draw a line down my equal sign. And here's my first hint, is we're basically going to pick the more difficult side. Which side looks more difficult, left or right?
No.
You picked the left because it has a fraction, right?
Yeah.
So we'll say start here. You're starting here because it's more complicated. Class, which side do you start on?
The more complicated side.
Alright, how would you guys separate this fraction? Tangent of x over what? Sine x cosine x. Cotangent of x sine x cosine x. Can I cancel anything out right now?
No.
No, so let's go ahead and now change all those into sine and cosines. So tangent becomes what?
Sine over cosine.
How did you guys get that?
The quotient identity.
Quotient identity. Now pay attention. Where is sine and cosine? Here. They're in the denominator, so you have to keep them there. What's left up there? Yeah, put a 1. And we're going to do the same thing here. Cotangent becomes what? And my sine and cosine are in the denominator. Alright, now over here, I'm going to go ahead and simplify because we have multiplication. You can cancel factors. What can I cancel? And over here? Class, what am I left with?
1 over cosine squared x.
Yeah, we're going to multiply this. Cosine squared x.
Minus 1 over sine squared x.
I multiply these two. So when you're verifying an identity, you're only working on one side. Notice here we've been working on the left side because we picked the most complicated side. And the great thing about it is that it's kind of telling us an end goal. Do you remember how we simplified with sine and cosine before and it kind of didn't tell us where to stop? We're like, try to get to one trig function, one fraction, something like that. But it's telling us this is the end result. We're almost there, aren't we? 1 over cosine squared x becomes, and 1 over sine becomes, and the reason why you can do that is the
Pythagoras.
Huh?
I mean, the reciprocal identity.
reciprocal. Does that make sense? How it's the same now?
Yeah.
So the end result is we verified it that it equals itself by simplifying one side.